Okay, guys, let's go over a little review over inequalities. So today we talked about greater than or less than. So that's talking about this area over here. If I have greater than or less than, I'm going to have an open circle when I graph. If it has an equal to with it, so less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, then you're going to fill in your circle. So let's go through just 4 examples of basic graphing like we did today. So this first one, I have x is greater than 3. So first of all, I know it's going to be an open circle because there's no equal to with the inequality. And that open circle is going to go right at 3. So first of all, I'm going to go through and just number this. So if I number it 0, 1, 2, and 3. And I'm going to graph like I did in class a little above the line. So at 3, I'm going to make my open circle. Because the variable comes first, the arrow here is going to point the way the line's going to go. So my line's going to go in this direction. Now, just to make this easier, all of the ones that I've done on these 4 examples are all going to have this value of 3 that's in every single one of these, just to make that part easier. So let's take a look at the next one. Okay, same thing. I'm going to make my numbers on here. Now this, because it has a greater than or equal to, that means that when I make the circle, it's going to be filled in, and that's going to go right at that number of 3. So here's my filled in circle. Because on this one, that arrow is pointing to the right, it means my line's going to go to the right. Remember, your line should be, the line that you make up here should be just as long as the number line is in that direction. Okay, here's the next one. Again, these both have 3's in them, so I'm going to go ahead actually and number both these lines. Through 3. Now, I could number it a little different, but I have to at least see 3 on my number line. So on this one, because the inequality that's here, there's no equal to, I know it's going to be an open circle, and it's going to get placed right at that 3. So open circle right above the 3. Because this inequality right here points to the left, that means my line is going to go to the left. Remember, you need to make kind of that bigger arrow at the end that shows that it continues past where you can see. Okay, last one. This one again is at 3, but because the inequality that's there has an equal to, that means I'm going to take the circle, I'm going to fill it in. That filled in circle is going to go right at 3. Now, because this inequality right there is pointing to the left, that means my line's going to go that way. And again, make sure you have that arrow on the end. Okay. Any other questions? Let me know, guys. Good luck.